Hey everybody, James Blackburn here, coming to you for another daily video update experiment. Thanks a lot for tuning back in. Today is April 30th, 2012. It's episode 154 of 366. And today, what we're going to do is the beginning of a new series. This will be a 5-part series. Today is part 1 of 5. And Friday will be part 5 of 5. So tune back all week long for this new series. And that series is going to be called Things That James Loves. And today we're going to go over food. Because I don't really have a lot of bad habits, but eating is one of them. I love to eat. I love to eat really good food. And so we're going to tell you today a little bit about the things that I like to chow down on when I'm chowing. First thing is, I love to cook out on the grill. Anything that you can grill is pretty much thumbs up in my book. Vegetables, fish, burgers, steak, it's all good to me. Love grilling. It's one of the things I love about summer. Another thing that I love is fish in general. No matter how it's prepared. Not really a big fan of sushi, but I love grilled fish, baked fish, deep fried fish, broiled fish. I mean, in pretty much any kind of fish you put out there, a little bit of squeeze of lemon on top, that's always good. Chocolate, another one of my thumbs up. Pretty much any chocolate is good in my book, but I prefer the dark chocolate. That's always really tasty. But any kind of chocolate, ice cream, candy bars, I mean, pretty much sounds like I'm a junk foodaholic. But same thing goes for chips and salsa. Love me some chips and salsa. Always good to go. The spicier the better. And as far as drinks are concerned, I don't really do alcohol, but I do really love root beer. That's one of my biggest vices as far as non-water beverage is root beer. One of my favorites. So anyway, that's a few things that I like in the food departments. And like I said, tune back for the rest of the week. You'll get some more things that James loves. And as always, thanks a lot for tuning in. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them. Bye.